Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome back to Stitch and Kai Creations. In today's video, I'm making a special mini purse tutorial because one of my lovely subscribers requested it, and of course I wanted to share it with all of you. So grab your materials and let's start stitching. So for the measurement, I'm using 7.7 inches wide and 11.7 inches length. Now I'll be explaining how to draft out the pattern. So what I did is that I fold it into two and notch out the midpoint both sides. So you can see the notch point at the middle. So I'll be using 3 inches to divide it into two. One side will be 1.5 inches and the other side 1.5 inches. From that notch point to the first side, I'll measure 1.5 inches and the second side to 1.5 inches. So from that notch point to that point, I measure 1.6 inches, not 1 inches. Then I use the biro to rule it out and connect it to the line of 1.5 inches. After that, I came to the second side, then I do the same also. Now I'll be cutting it out. So I'll come to the edges, I'll measure 2.7 inches. And for the top, I'll measure 2.5 inches. Then after that, I will connect the measurement together. You can see the way I'm doing it, but if you don't know how to use your hand, you can just use any rounded plate. Just place it at the middle of the line, the measurement, and you shape it out. I'll fold it to the second side and use it to shape it. So this is how to draft out the pattern of the mini purse. You can see the way it look like. That's formed the shape that we want. It's now time to add the zip clothes to it. So I'll place the zip clothes on it, right start facing each other, and stitch it round with it. So I'll be adding small beds to it to carry the bag. I just cut out small pieces of beds to add to it. Now I will use the zip tee to join it together. Now I will turn it to the inner part. So I'll be closing up the bottom part. I'll stitch the second side also. Now I will knit it. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this mini purse with me. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative sewing ideas. And if you have any request, let me know in the comment. See you in the next video.